Hello, welcome. In today's video, I will be unboxing a few packages that I have ordered for my upcoming trip. We're gonna make a trip with my family and our end of the summer vacation. End of summer vacation, and I have ordered a few things that I'm going to need for my trip, and I'm going to record and show you what I ordered and try it on if I can. The first thing I'm going to show you is this box of shoes that I ordered at Nordstrom. This is the brand P448. I ordered these shoes for my trip, especially for the airport. I had previously ordered a boot from Timberland, I think, but those are too hard for me. I kept those boots, but I'm gonna use them for like day-to-day wear. But these shoes, I'm gonna use them for my trip for the airport. And they look like this. They are sneakers. I cannot wear any type of high heels in the airport. My shoes, if I travel, they have to be soft and the sole need to be flexible and they have to be white. This is how they look like. Ooh, I'm gonna try to speed up this video because I have a few boxes that I wanna show you. These are really, really nice shoes. And the brand is P448. Oh, you can see it in the sole. And also the brand is there. These shoes seems to be very, very comfortable. And I don't know if they have another, yeah, they have another pair of shoelaces. And the ones that come with the shoes are kind of khaki, like beige color. And this is type of some type of leather. Ooh, these shoes are really nice. Let me try them on and show you how they look. I bought the number 6, I think. And they smell like vanilla. I don't know if they put some type of of fragrance in them. They really smell like vanilla. These are 36 or 6 in US. They smell good. These are really nice shoes. I really like them. I saw them online at the Nordstrom anniversary sale, but I didn't order directly online. I went to the store because I wanted to try them on and I didn't want to blind buy them. So I went to the mall, to my local mall, and I tried them there, but they didn't have my number, so they sent it to me online. So let me try them so you can see how they look like. They have the zipper here. They are very, very flexible. The sole is black and it's rubber, and I think they are leather shoes. Yeah, they're supposed to be leather. Wow, they are really comfortable. One more thing I have to say about these shoes is that the inside of the shoe is kind of like a fabric, like a towel material. I don't know if this is gonna be too hot. I hope it's not too hot. but maybe that makes the shoe more comfortable. I'm gonna try it anyways. I'm gonna use them because I want them for my trip. So let's go to the next box. They feel so comfortable and they smell from the inside. Let me show you what I ordered at Costco. I ordered these products for my trip. My trip is at the end of the September, and I'm getting ready, and I'm taking advantage to make the video so you can see how the products look like. This is a portable steamer. They say it's travel friendly, but it feels a little bit heavy. I hope I can take it with me. I have another one, but it's a little bit heavy, but I like that one a lot. And everybody talks about these products and said that this product is one of the best steamers, portable steamer they have tried. And this is Conair. Conair, yes. #1 selling garment steamer brand in the USA. I want this for to travel, like to take it with me. And I'm not gonna show you how it works because this is a quick unboxing video, but I wanna see how it looks from the inside. And to me, it feels a little bit heavy, but maybe it's because of the box, because I don't want this to be too heavy. Wow, it's heavy. I never thought it was going to be this heavy. Like to travel, I think I'm gonna get the other one, my Salab. Salab. Oh, it comes with these accessories. Let me see what is in here. I will have to read the instructions because I don't know. I really don't know how to use this or what are they for. I think this, yeah, this I can imagine is maybe for the color. And this one, I don't know. I will need to see the, this is new to me. The other one is kind of simple. And this one seems to be a little bit more complete or maybe more complicated. It's really nice. It is really nice. And I really like this color. It's metallic color with golden, I think it's golden, white, and black. Copper color. It's really nice, but I think it's heavy. I don't know, maybe 5 pounds. But it's really, really nice. I really like it. It seems like a heavy-duty portable steamer. On and off, on-off button, and it has the mode. I don't know, we'll have to connect it to see the mode. And then the steam. Because I think you can use this like iron and then steamer. It's really, really nice. I'm really happy that I got it. I don't know if it's gonna be good for travel. I'm gonna have to see which one. I'm gonna have to see which one is lighter, the Salab that I have, or this one, because this seems heavy, like to take it with me in my luggage. This is gonna be 5 pounds. 5 extra pounds. You know, you can only take a certain amount of pounds in your in your regular checking luggage, and I plan to take only one for all of us, so I don't want to pay extra. This is the other one that I already have. This is Salab, I think is the brand, and this is really good. I really like it. It's very ergonomic. I like this one, but I think both are the same weight. I think this is a little bit heavier. So I'm gonna have to decide which one I take, if this one or this one that is more like, this is a smaller, but it's a little bit heavier, and this is like sleek, more ergonomic. I'll see. I wanna try this. Here you go. Let's go to the next box. I'll tell you later in another video after I come back how it worked and which one of these two I decide to take on my trip. Next box.